On to Charles King Jr. coming to us from Oneida, Tennessee, riding the horse Champ.
Well, I tell you what, Charles King Jr. has been pretty solid all week long. The first two go-rounds. Here he is in the short round, in the championship round. Coming to you from Tennessee. All right, come on, Charles King Jr. Big turn right there. I mean, you talk about a U-turn, that's what it was. Oh, come on now, keep it going. There's the backup. Man, oh man, that's tough. That's like pushing her. Boy, cream cheese through a keyhole, that's tough right there. All right, here we go. Right around the bend, making the weave. Every point counts. These judges looking at every single obstacle, every single football, 0 to 10 on each obstacle, 5.5 being average. Is he higher or lower than average on every obstacle? Judge along with us. See how good you are. There's the flag carry, drops her down and on his way.
This is Cowboy's second appearance here at the World Finals, making it back here to the Super Sunday, hoping to bring home a buckle with this run. Up and over the teeter-totter. Going to work on the other side of the arena. A little trouble there with the quick jumps, but doing a nice job into the double. And another great double as the Tennessee Cowboy coming around right in front of Craig and I as they come up onto the bridge. Wasted no time there. All right, they've stepped over that long, nice and controlled, nice and smooth.
Yeah. Real good work right there. Now he's off and running. All right, on the home straight, bring him home now.
And they'll get the job done at the 153. 153.